Good morning, students. Again, welcome all of you in online classes. Students, do you know how many types of crops sown in India? In our country, various types of crops are sown. First of all, students, open your book, page number 14. Today I am going to discuss, today I am going to explain page number 14 and page number 15 of your book. Which book you have purchased? This is your book in class 8. Zoom in Science. Zoom in Science, इस बुक को आप लोग परचेज कर लीजिए और इसका पेज नंबर 14 ओपन करेंगे. This one is major types of crops found grown in India. Okay, these are various types of crops grown in India. Open page number 14, students, and come to the topic. There are various kinds of crops sown in India because in our country, in India, diversity has seen. There are various kinds of flowers, various kinds of fruits, various kinds of plants are found in a selected land area. So, in our country, many types of crops are sown, like fruits, pulses, cereals, spices, oil crop also, that is sunflower, mustard, and coconut. All these things comes into oil crop. Now, tuber crop. Tuber crop means sweet potato, and potato also. Potato is also tuber. Ginger, arabi, turmeric, all these. Now, sugar yielding crop means root beet, sweet potato, root beet, and sugar cane. All these things are sugar yielding crop, etc. There are many types of crops shown in your book. Revise it and study it very carefully. Come to today's first topic. As all of you know that high yield of crop is very essential. High yield of crop is very essential for proper fulfillment of overall population found in that country. So, farmers' responsibility is to grow more and more cereals, more and more crops. How we can obtain more crop, how we can improve our crop yield if we are having that particular land area? For answering this question, we should study about agriculture. What is agriculture? As I told you yesterday, that the science deals with the science or the scientific way by which we can sow seed and we can harvest it is known as agriculture. Or in another way, to grow same kind of plant in same land area is known as agriculture in scientific technique, by scientific method. So, first of all, I want to tell you various steps involved in crop production. There are many steps which are involved in crop production. The first step is what? Preparation of soil. First of all, we should prepare our soil in such a way that any plant can grow very easily or any seed can germinate very easily in that soil. So, first step in agriculture is preparation of soil. How soil is prepared for agriculture? How soil is produced? How soil is prepared? Anvesha, tell me. Ashutosh, tell me. Tell me. Soil preparation is done by many methods. First of all, let us start with Plowing. Plowing. Plowing of soil is very essential. The first step in agriculture, first step of soil preparation is plowing. In our country, plowing is done by two instruments. First instrument is a wooden plow. You know what is plow? Wooden plow. The picture of wooden plow is given in your book. Take a look on that picture. Second is cultivator. Cultivator or harrow. I think all of you have seen these two things, plow and cultivator. ठीक है? Plow is, if we are going to prepare our soil through normal plow, normal wooden plow, then it is said to be that we are using traditional method of agriculture. So, if we are using wooden plow, then it is said that we are using traditional method of agriculture. Traditional method. If we are using cultivator, which is followed by tractor, then it is said that we are using modern method of agriculture. Modern method. ठीक है? Clear है? Now, how this plowing is done? What is actual plowing? In plowing, we used to plow the soil, and for proper germination of seed, plowing is very essential, because when we plow any hard soil or any normal soil, then plowing makes the soil porous. It makes the soil porous. What porous means? Porous means there are much more intermolecular spaces in between soil molecules. So if there is more intermolecular space in between the soil, then there is more air in between soil molecules. There is more water in between soil molecules. So the plant can grow very easily. If we put seed in that soil, in such type of soil which is properly aerated, then the seed germinate very faster. So plowing in such a way that the seed grow faster, seed germinate faster, is very essential for agriculture, for proper agriculture. This is first step. Now, second step as written in the book is sowing of seed. Achha, this sowing of seed is done by again two methods. Number one, broadcasting, as written in your book, broadcasting, and second one is seed drill machine. Seed drill machine. So, students, sowing is done by, sowing of seed है ये, खाली sowing मत लिखिएगा. Sowing of seed is done by two methods. First one is broadcasting method, and second one is by seed drill machine. What is broadcasting? I want to tell you. Broadcasting means, हमने यहाँ हैंड में अपने कुछ सीड लिए हैं. इन सीड्स को अगर पहले से प्लाउड एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड में चलते चले जाते हैं और इन सीड्स को ऐसे ब्रॉडकास्ट करते चले जाते हैं, ऐसे ब्रॉडकास्ट करते चले जाते हैं, तो क्या होता है, सीड उसी सॉइल में गिरता है और सीड जर्मिनेट कर जाता है, बिकॉज द सॉइल इज पोरस, बिकॉज सॉइल कंटेन्स मोर एयर इनसाइड इट्स इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस. क्लियर? दिस इज नोन एज ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मेथड ऑफ sowing of seeds. Second one is seed drill. Seed drill is done by a special type of machine which is known as seed drill machine. इसमें क्या होता है सीड ड्रिल मशीन में कि एक कंटेनर होता है जिसमें ढेर सारे सीड्स एक साथ रख दिए जाते हैं। ऐसे एक कंटेनर है, इस कंटेनर में ढेर सारे सीड्स हमने रख दिए हैं एक साथ, और इस कंटेनर से एक एक सीड गिरता है, एक एक सीड एक बार में गिरता है यहाँ से निकल के। और इसी के साथ ये जो सीड्स हैं, these seeds are properly mixed with fertilizer, ठीक है। So in this process seed along with nutrients, that is fertilizer, used to fall in the ground one by one. So here is the basic difference between seed drill machine and broadcasting method of sowing of soil. Students, this is all about today. About next topic we will study in next online class, next online video. Revise whatever we have studied today. This is your homework. Revise ploughing, revise types of crops found in our country, and revise preparation of soil, which one step I told you today, that is preparation of soil ploughing. This one step, about this one step we have studied today in detail. Students, revise whatever studies. That's all. Thank you, class. Thank you.